California's Attorney General Rob Bonta yesterday issued a warning to all the school districts in California, saying trying to force schools to notify parents of their students' gender choice is against the law. Time Wait shows us California's ongoing battle.
We have, unfortunately, some folks who do not care what the law requires.
California Attorney General Rob Bonta blasting school district leaders who are trying to require school staff to notify parents if a student wants to change their pronouns or their gender.
We are here to protect the constitutional rights, statutory rights, civil rights of our children.
Bonta issued a legal alert to districts across the state, warning them that requiring school staff to report if a student identifies as transgender violates the state's constitution. Bonta says the policy also potentially puts kids in danger who may live in homes where their families reject them.
We know what the data tells us, that 15% of transgender, gender nonconforming young people are kicked out of their home. Another 10% are harmed physically by members of their direct family.
The issue has caused chaos over the past year as school board meetings have become the epicenter of the culture wars. Chino Valley School Board President Sonia Shaw is an ardent supporter of the policy and the target of a lawsuit from AG Bonta. Shaw says parents have a right to know if their child wants to change their gender or their pronouns.
I think it's clear that Bonta is showing his own insecurities. He's obsessed with power. He's showing that he wants to be the parent of our children, and he's not doing his real job, which is keeping California safe. What is he doing to make them safe at campus by keeping the parents out? It absolutely makes no sense.
What the Attorney General has done here is to presume that all parents are abusers. So we need to keep this information from all of them. And that makes no sense at all.
Christy Hurst, a parent and former teacher in Chino Valley, is now with Our Schools USA, which advocates for LGBTQ students.
We know for a fact this policy is harming students and families, period. We're seeing evidence of it. We work with the Rainbow Youth Project. You know, we partnered, and they have that crisis hotline that covers the state of California. And everywhere this policy is introduced, sends kids into crisis.
Shaw says she believes this is a fight for parents' rights, and she is not giving up.
The political cartel has continued to show their cards, and I think we just need to stand with our constitutional rights, and we need to make sure we protect our kids together.
A judge put a block on the parental notification policy that Bonta issued to the court.